Welcome. Today we'll walk you through install WordPress on Proxmox with Turnkey Linux. Let's start. Log into your Proxmox web interface using your admin credentials. On the left-hand side, select your local storage under Data Center. Now click on the Templates tab. In Search column, type WordPress. Here you can find Turnkey WordPress template. Select and click Download and wait for the process to finish. You'll see the template appear in your storage once the download is complete. Next, we'll create a container to host the WordPress installation. On the Proxmox dashboard, click Create CT to start the process. Enter a unique name for your container, such as WordPress Demo. Set a strong root password. You'll need this for administrative tasks later. Now proceed to the Resources Allocation step. Click Next. Now choose the WordPress template you downloaded earlier. Select it from the list and click Next. Enter 20 for disk space. Need 20 gigabytes or more for medium-sized websites. Click Next. CPU. Enter 1. Click Next. RAM. Enter 2000 for RAM size. Click Next. Set up your container's network. Enter static IP address and gateway. Then, click Next. DNS. Click Next. Once done, check everything and click Finish to create the container. After successfully created container, close the tab. Go back to the container list. Select your new container and click Start. After starting, access the container's terminal by clicking the Console tab. Here, we'll begin configuring MySQL and WordPress. Now, let's configure the MySQL database for WordPress. Enter your user ID and password. For login, now, enter the password for MySQLadminer account. And click OK. Confirm password. And click OK. Now enter the WordPress admin password. And click OK. Confirm password. And click OK. Enter email address for WordPress admin account. And click Apply. Enter your domain. And click Apply. Initialize hub service. Click Skip now. System notification and critical notification alerts. Click Skip now. Security updates. Click Skip. Now, you've successfully set up WordPress. Your website is now live. Open a new tab and enter your server's IP address or domain name. Then enter. To access your WordPress dashboard, type after your domain name /wp-admin, then press Enter, and you'll see the WordPress login screen. Use the admin username and password you created during the setup process to log in. Once inside, you'll have full access to customize your website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.